Okay, so this is very exciting. We are unboxing one of InfiSense's brand new power and energy metering kits. So as you may or may not know, we're a software company, but we make this entire dynamic, long-range, low-power ecosystem called LoRa, L-O-R-A. We just make it work like magic. And we've integrated it with really reliable, trusted meters so our customers can go solve some of today's hardest problems. So here we've got this case, fully enclosed, hurricane-proof NEMA enclosure, and inside of that we've got some instruction manuals, some mounting brackets, a little bit of packaging, and here, what's in here is a watt node, very trusted, reliable, even revenue grade options for metering. And there will be CTs, so current transducers that can plug into the watt node and spec for any size conductor. So 10 amps, 20 amps, all the way up to hundreds of amps. And you can get 3 phases or 3 separate phases or 3 individual phases, and you get power, energy, kVAR, voltage, wonderful, great information off of this meter. And this is actually the LoRa device. It's called the transceiver, but it's like a Swiss Army knife. It takes in the outputs from this unit and it converts them to data and sends them over the air to a LoRa gateway, which we provide. It's just plug and play, and that gets the data to the cloud and in your fingertips. And then all the stuff down here is for the power and line voltage connections, and it's all plug and play, ready to go, safe, and just a beautiful setup here. And there's also other options. You can connect a thermistor into this, or another CT, so you can get another measurement from a different current. So for example, we have customers using these to monitor 3 phases or 2 phases or 1 phase on heat pump units, and then they get the return fan amps here, and then they get temperature off a pipe with a thermistor. And I don't have those accessories to show here, but I just wanted to share this, and check out more at InfiSense.com and send me a message if you want to learn more. Thanks.